Admin powers are a tool that allow users to manage a Discord server. To make someone an admin, you'll first need to create an admin role. On your server, navigate to Server Settings, and then Roles. In the Roles page, click the Create Role button. You can name this position Admin, or something else if you prefer. Display role members separately will make them stand out in the server user list. You can customize the permissions and privileges. To make them a general administrator, click the button next to those permissions. To add someone to this new admin role, go back to your server and right-click the username of the account you want to grant permissions to. Under Roles, click the checkbox next to the admin position. This user will now be granted server admin privileges. You can remove these privileges in the same menu or in the Server Roles settings page.